there, foodies and fellow keto enthusiasts! Welcome back to our video. Today, we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of keto breakfasts with a recipe that's not just delicious, but also super satisfying: avocado and bacon egg cups. Let's dive into the video. Wait, before starting the Keto Cleanse video, I introduce you to Icaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 2 ripe avocados, 4 large eggs, 4 strips of bacon, salt and pepper to taste, chopped fresh herbs optional for garnish. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Cut the avocados in half and remove the pits. Scoop out a small portion of the flesh from each half to create a larger well for the egg. Place the avocado halves in a baking dish to keep them stable. Crack 1 egg into each avocado half. Place the baking dish in the preheated oven and bake for 12-15 minutes or until the egg reaches your desired level of doneness. Garnish with chopped fresh herbs if desired. Ready to say goodbye to stubborn belly fat. To get the Icaria Lean supplement, click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. To view more exciting videos like this, please hit the like button, comment us, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.